Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the front seats on your Lincoln MKZ ranging from 2013 to 2020. This video will show you a step-by-step process of removing the front seats as well as installing it back in. For this demonstration I'll be removing the front passenger seat. The driver's side seat can be removed in a similar manner. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and show your support to the channel. I can't thank you folks enough for the continuous support throughout the years. It's been an absolute pleasure making these videos, and I look forward to pump out as many videos as I can for you folks in the future. If you're looking to purchase any interior or exterior lights for your vehicle, Auxito LED has you covered. Check out their website, and if you want to purchase something, use my promo code and referral link to get 15% off any purchase. Anyways, let's get on with the video. For this project, you're going to need a T45 and T50 socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a ratchet. There are 4 bolts you need to remove, 2 up front and 2 in the back. The bolts up front are T45 size and the ones in the back are T50 size. Move the seat all the way back on the tracks to give you more working room. Start off by using your flathead screwdriver to remove the covers housing the bolts. Use your T45 socket and ratchet to remove the front 2 bolts. I'll fast forward as I remove these 2 bolts. Once the 2 bolts up front are removed, place the bolts in a safe area so you don't lose them. Now move the seat all the way to the front of the tracks to give you more working room in the back. In the back, use the T50 size socket to remove these 2 bolts. I don't recommend using an extension because the seat is in the way and it may cause some damage to the threads of the bolts, as I found out the hard way. Once the bolts are removed, move the backrest all the way to the front. This will help getting the seat out of the vehicle a little bit easier. But before we take the seat out, there is a power cable underneath the seat that we need to remove. So slowly tilt the seat back so you have room to remove the power cable. After about 10 minutes of trying to figure out how to unplug this connector, I finally figured it out. But before removing this cable, it is recommended to unplug the battery because you may have an airbag error message. once you put everything back again. To remove the power cable to the seats, you need to press down on the center of the connector as shown and move the lever down. This will release the connection. This is a very overly engineered connector in my opinion. Why can't they just have a simpler connection? Who knows? Anyways, now you are almost ready to take the seat out of the vehicle. I say almost because there's a rivet securing the wire into the seat bottom. You can gently pull on it like how I'm doing here, or you can use a flathead screwdriver to help you out. Now you can take the seat out of the vehicle. The seat is a bit on the heavier side, so take it out with caution, and make sure not to break the plastic cover where the seat controls are. Here's a quick look at the bottom of the seat. It's very complex as you can see. This seat is heated and cooled and also has a massage, so there's a lot of air tubes running everywhere. It's really fascinating to see for sure. Now I'll fast forward as I put this seat back into place. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button for more content. See you all next time.